Hi, welcome to Wise Guides. This video I will show you using elimination method to solve systems of linear equations. The first question, two x minus y equals 7. First one. The second one is x plus 2y equal 11. The second equation. Solve for x and y. Using elimination method, so you need first, before you do this, you need to go over each equation to see which one is easier. Because 2x minus y equals 7. X plus 2y equal 11. So these two, y, one is minus, one is plus. If I can make first equation because minus 2y, then this is plus 2y. When adding these two equations, this y will go, right? So for this situation, we can do this. So 2x minus y equals 7. We can multiply 2 for the first equation, which we got each one multiply 2. So you got 4x minus 2y equal 14, right? Each one multiply 2 for equation 1, which will multiply each term by 2. This is we end, maybe we label as the third equation. And then we copy this one on the bottom. So x, because this one doesn't change, plus 2y equals 11. Then we can add these two equations for both sides. So 2y is negative, this 2y is positive. They cancel out each other, right? They cancel out each other. When add together, cancel each other. So 4x plus x is 5x, and 5x, and this is equals to, together is 25. That's why we can solve this one. We got x equal, you divide the 5, so divide the 5 for each side. So you got x equals 5. And after get this one, you plug x equals 5 into any of them. So obviously you can see, if you put this question doesn't matter, put which one, right? Put which one. And maybe I put the first one. I put first one 2 times. Go to the first one, I go to 2 times x, which is 5, minus y equals 7. Then I can solve this one. You got 10 minus y equals 7. So 10 minus y equals 7. Obviously y equals 3, right? Y equals 3. So you got x equals 5, y equals 3. This is the answer, right? This is the answer. So you put here, finally you put the answer here. So you put x equals 5, y equals 3. Also, you can check your answer by substitute x equals 5, y equals 3 into the original equation. Here I just show you x equals 5 is 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 minus y is 3 equals 7. And this one, if x equals 5, 5 plus 2 times y. 2 times y is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 plus 6 equals 11. That's why this is it. The second example, I'd like to show you if there is fraction. The second one, show you here is if you have solve a over 2 plus b over 3 equals 6. This is equals 4. This is first equation. Second equation is a minus b over 2 equal 1. This is first equation. First one, say first one, we write first one, second one. Okay. To solve this equation, first our job is eliminate the denominator. So fraction make more complicated, but if you can eliminate 2 and 3, so it's easier. So what we need to do is, see, this is 2 denominator, this is 3 denominator, this is actual 4 over 1, right? So the common denominator is 2 with 3 is 6. So we multiply 6 for both sides. See? We multiply 6 for each term. So you can label on the top, you multiply 6 for this one, multiply 6 for this one, multiply 6 for that one. It's label it, it's easy. So you have 6 cancel with 2, got a 3. You got 3a plus 6 cancel with 3, you got 2b, and 6 times 4 equals 24, right? 24. And then this one, because the denominator here is a over 1, this is 2, so we multiply by 2. Multiply by 2, we got the 2a, multiply 2, this is multiply 2, you multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Then you have this one, 2 cancel with 2, you got 1b, which is b, equal, this one is 2 times 1 is 2, right? And this situation you can rewrite here, you write 3a plus 2b equals 24. And 2a minus b equals 2. Label this is the third equation and the fourth equation. And to solve this equation, you can use any method. You can use elimination, you can use substitution. Now we use elimination. So what we need to do is here. This is practice minus. We multiply by 2 for this equation. We have this one, see. We multiply by 2 for this equation. We got multiply 2 for each other, right? You can label on the top. This is 4a minus 2b equals 4. And this equation, the top equation, you don't need to do any change because the 2b. So you have 3a plus 2b equals 24. Then this is plus 2b minus 2b. We add these together. So with 7a, this is 0 equals 28. Then you can solve divided by 7 for both sides. You got a equals 4, right? A equals 4. After get a equals 4, you can plug into any equation. So let's do plug into the second one. So we can have, I'm using another color, so it's easy to make clear. So a equals 4, so we have here plug into second one. So you have go to this one, go to second equation. So we have this one. See, we have a equals 4 minus b over 2 equals 1, right? Then we can move 4 to the other side. You have negative b over 2 equals 1 minus 4 u is negative b over 2 equals negative 3. And you multiply both sides, you can multiply by negative 2. The reason is negative with negative cancel out. Multiply negative 2 for both sides. then we have this situation, we got this one cancel with this one. So we got the b equals 6, right? Equals 6. So this is the b. So you got the a equals 4, b equals 6. If you still want to check in your answer, you put the 4 here. 4 divided 2 equals 2. And the 6 divided 3 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And you still need to check the second equation. Sometimes you make mistake, but the first equation is okay. The second one, if you feel like, oh, I already checked the first one, second one is okay. No, you still need to check second. Second one, a equals 4, 4 minus 6, 6 divided 2 is 3, 4 minus 3 equals 1. That's where you got the answer, right? The final answer is a equals 4, b equals 6. Okay, this is presented by Wise Guy. Thank you.